MrBeast drew criticism after posting about Rolling Stone's 25 most influential creators of 2025, upset that Caleb Hearon ranked above him, while the message that he wrote was later deleted. His words from the tweet said, "According to this list, a guy with 1 million followers is more influential than me. What did I do to piss off the Rolling Stones?" Social media users immediately piled on. Many mocked him for confusing the publication with the band, while others saw the post as an overreaction. Meanwhile, the list crowned streamer IShowSpeed as number 1, followed by Drewski, Ms. Rachel, and Kaisenet. MrBeast came in at 7th place, just under Caleb Hearon, who held the 6th spot.
Caleb, what business do you have being that funny?
Rolling Stone praised Hearon for his stand-up work and his podcast. So true with Caleb Hearon. Hassan Piker, another name on the list, chimed in too, admitting he didn't think MrBeast's post was real until he double-checked.
There's no way MrBeast posted that. That's so funny. He did? Oh my God, he actually did. Oh.
Someone tweeted a screenshot of MrBeast's post writing, "MrBeast's mask slipping this much in less than a year has been fascinating to watch. Sorry, Jimmy, Caleb has something you'll never have, a personality." Caleb Hearon has become an absolute juggernaut in comedy. His podcast is huge, he's in multiple movies, and will undoubtedly become a bigger actor. While acting careers reveal that the majority never achieve fame, while only a few become legends, MrBeast's decreasing influence may similarly stem from his decade of recycling the same type of videos. So what do you think about the Caleb Hearon ranking? Was it fair? Let us know in the comments down below.